Hey everybody, you guys, today is our daughter's 27th birthday and she wanted a special dessert. Now if you guys remember one of my last videos I did where I did the Not Your Mama's banana pudding, she wants something similar. She does not eat bananas, so she wants it with strawberries. So it's going to be a strawberry pudding, and it will have all the ingredients that I use for the Not Your Mama's banana pudding, but it just will not have the banana. So it's an experiment and we're going to see how it goes. So it's the same ingredients where we will use it's a 12-ounce container of frozen whipped topping. And you guys, I like the fresh whipped topping, so I've already done my whipped topping here. Then we'll have one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, which is here. We have the vanilla pudding, and it is a 5-ounce box. Now the box will tell you to mix it and use 3 cups of milk, but you do not want to use 3 cups of milk for this recipe. You want to use 2 cups of milk, which I have here. And then you have your cookies, okay? So I will list all of these ingredients in the description box, but again, this is going to be an experiment because she does not like the bananas. So first I'm going to start by adding the pudding inside my 2 cups of milk. And I'm just going to mix this up and let this sit, and it will not take long at all just to start thickening. Now my only concern that I have about using the strawberries, I've already cut, I've washed my strawberries, here they are. And I actually added a little bit of sugar to them as well. And they've been sitting in the refrigerator overnight, so I'm still I've drained them a couple of times and I've drained them again. I'm just going to let them sit a little bit longer. But my only concern with the strawberries is because strawberries strawberries are wet. So I don't know how the strawberries are going to work with the pudding. So I think what I'm going to do, just to be on the safe side, is just put the strawberries, at least a nice thick enough layer of strawberries on the bottom of the casserole dish. And then that way, when they start to kind of drain even the more, or get a little watery, that it won't be sitting on top with the pudding mixture. And again, I just don't know how that's going to look. So we're experimenting, and we're going to see how it looks, and we're going to see how it tastes. Of course, I have more than enough cookies. We all love more cookies than we do the fruit anyway. So we're going to let this pudding sit here, and it's going to thicken up like I said. I've already mixed up my fresh heavy whipping cream, and now we're going to mix the cream cheese with the sweetened condensed milk. As a reminder, make sure you always, whenever you get ready to open up a can, always wipe off the top of your can. And although I didn't say it, you guys know I have already washed my hands. As I often say, don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands. Why? Because that's just nasty. You guys, a couple of my children are in the background. They're trying to be real quiet over there. You guys want to say hey, YouTube? Hey, everybody. Say hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody.
Hey. Y'all not loud.
Y'all know that was dude number.
Y'all not loud.
That was dude number 2.
You can establish your presence.
What am I? So, in goes the cream cheese. And then to that we're going to add the sweetened condensed milk. See, you guys see how that is oozing up on the top of that can? That's why you want to make sure that your can is clean. If you think about these canned goods and stuff sitting in warehouses or wherever they sit them, and you have all the little bugs and rodents and everything else that wants to crawl on the top of the cans, y'all better wash those cans, wipe those cans off good before you open them. I think it's going to be good, you guys. It's going to be real interesting to see. Now, I did not check to see if there was any other recipe that really does this strawberry pudding. And there probably is, but I didn't check. So, we're just going to do what we do over here. And we're going to get this really creamy. Okay, now that that's all creamy, we're going to add the whipped cream. I probably could have added the pudding next, but I really don't think it matters, and I wanted to wait just a couple more minutes because I'm sure it's probably still kind of setting up. Oh, look how thick it's gotten already. Okay, we'll add that in just a second. Now this recipe is so easy and quick to do. And this ninja does not take long at all to cream and mix ingredients. So now we're going to just add this pudding. You know, I didn't think you guys were going to be this quiet in the background. Do you need that light on over there, honey?
No, yeah, I have to go to that spot.
For what?
They can help me set this up.
No, you can actually call them.
Oh, for real? I have no idea what
Yeah.
I'll make sure to call before tomorrow.
Is that where they got it from?
Yeah.
What done he say?
Robert. Is that where they got it from?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
What done he say?
She's here somewhere.
I think she.
Honey, say hey, everybody. Y'all, he acting funny. Don't pay him no mind. And don't come around this way talking crazy. Oh.
You fancy. He fancy. He got himself a little touch.
Fancy, fancy.
Yes.
Look at this. Doesn't it look good? Creamy.
Oh, wait.
All right, so let's start with the layering process. And again, the only thing I know to do is start with the strawberries first, and then that way, you want a thick layer of strawberries, Denise? You want a thick layer of strawberries? I'm trying to make sure you have enough, because like I said, I don't want the cookies to be soggy. You gotta say hey to everybody. Say hey everybody. Hey everybody. That's my birthday girl. Hey everybody. There's a difference in the cookies being soft and them being soggy. So the pudding makes the cookies soft. If these strawberries start running and be watery, it's going to make the cookies soggy. So that's what I don't want. So, let's see. Okay, so I think that's a good layer of strawberries. And see, again, ordinarily I would line the side of this dish. This one is not as big as my 9 by, what is it? 9 by 10 by, what was the other one? Let me see. What was my dish? I can't remember. Oh. Whew. Okay. They're 13 by 9 by 2. So this is the difference in the size. See, this one will actually fit in there. This is a special one I bought for her. She doesn't even know that this is for her too. So it's a little bit smaller than this one, which is good because that means we'll have a little extra so we can have some now. But, so, like I said, I'm not going to making that much noise. So I think what I want to do next is maybe do like a, let's see, do I want to do a thin layer of, maybe I'll do a thin layer of pudding. Do a thin layer. And then that way the cookies won't be directly on top of the strawberries. So, let's see. See, can you guys see? Okay. Okay. So, do this thin layer of pudding. So we'll just do a thin layer of pudding, and that way the cookies won't have to be directly on top of the strawberries. Now they go a broken cookie. We can't use a broken cookie. We gotta eat it. Let's see. So I want to do this. Okay, yeah, they'll do better if I turn them this way. They'll fit better. Okay. Uh-oh, there's another broken cookie. Gotta eat it. Gotta eat it, gotta eat it. I think I'm gonna make that my rule that you cannot use broken cookies in your banana pudding or strawberry pudding. Come across a broken cookie, you've got to eat it. That's just a rule. Sound like a good rule to me. Okay, so I'm gonna do another layer of pudding. The last layer of pudding. And then we'll just top it off with some more cookies. Okay. So. I really wish I could put some around the sides, but I just don't want them to get soggy. So we're going to top it off with this last layer of cookies. You know, I am curious to see though if there's a recipe for a strawberry pudding. I bet there is. I bet there is. And if there is, it may even give you an idea of maybe how to do the strawberries so your cookies won't get soggy. But then again, maybe they won't. I don't know. I just didn't want to chance it. So, okay. It's another broken cookie. Another broken cookie. Okay. So we got put the empty me broken cookie. Another broken cookie. So this is it. This is the strawberry pudding. But not tilt it too much, it'll end up on the floor. Are you? Everybody like broken cookies. Okay, you guys, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye.